Hi again, Pre-Algebra students. It's Miss Carol, and we are now working on Project 1, Lesson 4. We are still working on this party planning because it's a pretty serious business. Remember that we've got those 6 friends planning this party, and in this lesson, each of the friends contributed $50 to cover the expenses for the party. And after purchasing everything, their total cost was $258.73. So we need to use what we learned in lesson 4 about performing operations on rational numbers to figure out, if we go down to question 1 here, we need to figure out how much money each person should get back. And this should be pretty simple. But before I answer it, I want to take you to the second question here, which is explain how you determined how much money each person should get back. So, please pay close attention to how I'm doing this because that's what you need to write in that next box, okay? So we're going to come up with the answer and then you are going to kind of reiterate what I did to get that answer in that second question, okay? So again, $50 each, so there's 6 people who each contributed $50, and if you'll remember from your multiplication tables that 5 times 6 is 30, so 50 times 6 is going to be 300. So they had $300 to spend on this party. So that's our first calculation, all right? Second calculation is to determine how much extra. All right, so the party cost $258.73. They had 300, so we need to subtract $258.73 from 300. You can do this via a calculator, but I'm going to just do it real quick by plain old subtraction. So I get 10 minus 3 is 7, and 9 minus 7 is 2, and 9 minus 8 is 1, and 9 minus 5 is 4, and then all that was borrowed from here, so 2 minus 2 is 0. So I can see that I have $41, and this was actually a 2, not a Z. I'm not sure why I wrote that. So $41.27. So that is the amount of money that they had left over. Now to figure out how much each person gets back, we need to divide. This is our third step. We need to take 6 into 41.27. Again, we could use a calculator, but I'm going to do it the long way because I can. So I know 6 doesn't go into 4, but 6 almost goes into 41. It goes into 42 7 times. So I'm going to say that this is 6. Okay. 6 times 6 is 36. Okay. 41 minus 36 is 5. I'm going to bring my 2 down. 6 goes into 52 8 times. So write that there, and I know I've got that decimal there. 8 times 6 is 48. 52 minus 48 is 4. Okay, and I'm bringing my 7 down. It doesn't go into 47, but it does go into 42, so this is 7 times 6 is 42. 50, I know it goes in 8. Okay, so I've got enough to round here to the nearest penny. I went out to the thousandth so that I could round to the nearest penny, and I can see that each person should get back $6.88. All right, so that is the answer that you want to enter into the box, $6.88. But what you want to do for question 2 is simply explain those 3 steps. We had to first come up with the total amount of money they had by multiplying 50 by 6. We then had to find out how much money they had left over by subtracting $258.73 from 300 to get $41.27. And last but not least, we have to divide that 41.27 by the 6 people who should get money back, and we get $6.88. So those are your 3 steps that you need to write in that second question. And yay, we've kept this under 6 minutes, so our quickest one yet. I will look forward to seeing what you write for question 2, and I will see you back here for lesson 5. Thank you.